Chain on it? Not on that rubber. Must. Ready? Oh yeah. So I won't get you another bite on it. We got Dennis Bailey, Street Outlaw royalty, fixing to work on my block here. Now don't you get that block mixed up with them OEM blocks now.
Well, but when you're forward a little bit.
No. I don't want to go slow.
When it's slow LS.
No, I don't want to be gay either. Anyway, what do you got in there?
But you need good rods or transmissions behind.
Yeah, I need one. Where is this? Is this the equipment you're gonna use on this block?
Yeah.
What does this one do? Bad little old machine right here. Guess I need y'all to check this thing out. It's got 2 sleeves in it. Y'all don't need that, do you?
No, you can leave it. It doesn't matter. You can leave it with your pallet. With
Okay. All right, I'll get my pallet back too.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't need it.
Yeah.
Get it back.
Anyway, see, it's already been O-ringed.
Yeah.
The guy I got it from, he run a lot of nitrous on it, and
You got the wire for those?
no, that's how I got it.
Oh, okay.
I don't know anything about no O-ring. I never made that much horsepower, and I generally just don't O-ring them that way, so it's like a pressure relief. Let the head gasket be a pop-off valve so I can save my motor. But nah, I just check that thing out. I don't know. Say Derrick don't want to put regular sleeves in it because this, like I say, it's got 2 in there now.
Don't like to. No.
What if if it needs sleeves or whatever, or we can get by without it? Now, if he has to hone that thing up, them 2 sleeves, that's not going to work with it.
Just have to mic it and see where it's at.
Okay, it's it's max bore right now. I think the next size up is going to be a 4.625.
Is it 4.610 or 20 right now? Or
No, it's 4.60.
600?
Yeah, it's maxed out. But they say you can go a couple more.
Yeah, you can go 10.
But
20.
I won't be able to with them sleeves though, will I? So I don't think them sleeves are very thick.
Yeah, that'd be a question for Derrick to tell you that.
Okay. If it wasn't for that right there, I'd just go to the next size and just fill it with hard block.
Yeah.
You know. That would work, wouldn't it?
Yeah, he's putting all that weight on the front end though.
Huh?
He's putting all that weight back on the front end.
I got more batteries. I can put more batteries on that thing. What?
It works.
Hey, I tell you what, if y'all can kind of make a mistake and send this block back with me. How long does them blocks last?
5 years old.
Really? At what horsepower?
It might be 1500.
How long will it last at 1800 horse?
Long time.
On where I'm not on a street.
There's only 2 of them.
Yeah.
Couldn't last forever or you'll burn it up.
Right. Anyway, I may have wasted money on this, Dennis. Yeah. He's got new cam bearings in it. It's supposed to, he's supposed to took it to a machine shop, and I don't know who the machine shop was.
All that had to be changed.
Huh?
You had to knock all that back out.
What's that?
Cam bearings stuff.
Yeah.
Make your board all that metal because of the tone in or any of it.
Yeah. Anyway, I just ready to step up that. Now that I got my traction, I'm ready to step this thing up.
Yeah.
I need a good set of heads too. Y'all got what you got laying around here?
Got none laying around.
Them Ford heads won't work.
That makes too much power for you.
Huh?
Scared.
Too much power. There's no such thing as too much power. I could put them in the trunk. That'll help on traction. Anyway. Yeah, so you going to North Carolina this weekend?
No.
Huh?
No, I gotta work.
Oh, do you?
Before we go. Gotta work.
What do y'all charge to fix up a set of heads?
$4.50 to freshen for the fair.
Yeah. Got a LS block here.
Yeah.
Here's Dennis's brother, Derrick. What are you gonna do with this thing? Go-kart engine.
What am I gonna do with it?
Yeah,
I'm gonna put it on my mini bike.
I heard that.
Let my 4-year-old son drive it.
You can't read that oil pressure inside the cockpit like that.
Yeah, I know.
Is this 1,000 horsepower small like you was bragging about that day?
No, about 250.
Oh,
Got a 3/4 cam in.
I heard that. I want a 1/4 cam in mine. That's all I need to outrun this.
Right.
What is? Oh, that's MBE stuff, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Oh, 18 degree.
Yeah.
John.
How good is his heads on a big block?
Didn't tell you.
Oh, you ain't never messed with them. Got to be better than on a small block, huh?
I'll let you know before long.
Close now.
But this is the 1,000 horsepower naturally aspirated. It's supposed to be.
It's supposed to be.
My goodness, what RPM?
I don't know yet. I'm gonna say about 8 grand.
Put it on that machine back there, we're gonna find out.
Yeah. Will your dyno hold it?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What y'all charge a dyno on mine?
Way too much.
Way
too much.
Well, we do the ones we build.
Okay.
Too far behind.
Whose intake is this?
Keep up.
CIDs.
Did MBE port that? They do pretty good work, don't they?
It looks pretty nice.
Can I, if you need a car to put it in for a test, guinea pig, I got one.
The man that owns it's got 2. So.
Oh. Yeah, but your driver keeps wrecking them. This is your engine, right?
No.
Oh, I thought it was yours.
Nice customers.
That joker's bad to the bone. He gonna grudge race it?
No, he races in the dirt.
Dirt. Oh, it's mud. This is for mud.
Dirt and truck.
Dirt. Yeah. What would that do in my car?
Break an axle.
I got 35 spline axles, man.
Break in, put shaft in your transmission in.
Now everybody do that. I'm only good for. I think I did put shafts only good for 2,000 horse.
Twisting axle.
Yeah. Anyway, all right. How much y'all gonna charge me on all this? Or you don't know, do you?
A few thousand, you can go for it.
No. I'll get you a hot check. What? Don't look at me like that.
What's your cash app? Tell everybody to some money.
I got cash right there.
The way we can keep making videos, we need some sponsorship money.
I need y'all to sponsor me.
Cash app on. I'm still trying to sponsor the bank.
I come over and buy a barrel of fuel. I want y'all to pay for half of it.
If I ever get done with a bank, I might be able to help somebody out.
Pay for all of it before I sold it to you.
Oh, that joker's nice. I can't wait till I step up to that.
Yeah, me too. One day I'll be retired though.
Yeah.
We'll get there.
Reckon what heads I ought to put on that motor, man?
How much fire you want to make?
I don't know. I think about 1,800.
Still got the blower on.
Yeah, they've got the Pro Charger. I think it's good for 1,600. But how does that work? You make 500 on your motor, then add 1,600 to it, or what?
No,
that don't work that way, does it?
So much air.
Right.
Oh, it's good for.
You hadn't seen my butt hurt battery box, have you?
Mm-mm.
Wait till you see that video. I put a Beater Bomb. You seen his videos?
I don't know who he is, but I am.
And he put a butt hurt bar on his car. So I put a butt hurt battery box on mine.
Right.
And it works.
Just 7 feet behind the back bumper or what?
It's a long ways out there. You don't need no jumper cables. just touch your bumper to this box here.
Right. Yeah. You'll be able to pull up to the.
I'm trying to call. I called Brian Britt out a while ago, or I didn't get a call. I called him, talked to him. I said, "You got Beetlejuice ready?" No, my exhaust is all messed up. I said,
Exhaust all messed up.
Yeah, he said
that's a street truck.
Well, he said he run that E85 in it and rusted it out on the inside.
And he must not drive it as much as he says.
Right. Yeah.
Only goes to McDonald's
right.
once a year instead of once a day.
Somebody asked me, "Is your car a street car?" I said, "No, my car's a race car. It's just got license plates on it.
Right.
I don't pretend." That just keeps it from getting impounded as bad. I guess. I don't know. I don't know what the law is on that. How durable is one of these things here?
Very.
That belt you don't have no problem with the
I
belt?
haven't changed mine in 12 years.
Would that benefit me? I need to set my engine back about a half inch.
That'd help get the screwdriver out of the firewall.
Right, and I don't want to mess up the firewall. They don't allow a lot of people balk about cutting that firewall.
Huh? No, she's the one come down and get them jugs the other day. Figure she get mad at you, but they must not have.
You run them Davies Craig's water pumps? You ever seen them?
Mm-mm.
Hey, they're beast, and they're cheap enough. You can buy 2 or 3. You can buy 2 of them for the price of one of these,
Yeah.
and have it for a spare. My car don't get over 180 degrees. I had one of them Mazirs on there or whatever. That thing go up to 210. After a pass. And I don't know. I guess it slowed the water flow down or something.
Yeah, they make different pumps, different amounts of water.
Derrick, let me get out of your way. I'm gonna go up here and do this paperwork
Yes, sir.
on this thing.